Alright guys, today we're going to check out a brand new tablet from Infinix. This is called the XPAD H. Very interesting name, comes in this huge box. And the reason why it's so huge is because this itself is a huge tablet coming in at 13.2 inches. So just imagine along the lines of an actual laptop. But you know, for the price of RM1299, this is supposed to be a budget device and it still comes with a keyboard case. Looks like this. I think it looks very nice. It even comes with a trackpad, and this color combo reminds me of a Mac. Okay, other than that, Infinix is also throwing in the stylus. So again, you're going to be getting the full combo of everything. And that's not all, it will also support 4G, guys. So quite a fair bit of interesting features that we should take a look at real quick. So first things first, just in terms of the design, like I said earlier on, it's huge, but it's still fairly slim. In terms of the weight, you know, you might be wondering about portability. It's around 600 grams, which isn't that heavy for a size this big. And just in terms of the entire design, apparently it's being made with this entire metal unibody. You do have this cutout though for the camera section, and I believe some antenna lines on there to support that 4G. Now just in case you're wondering about the micro SD, it supports up to 2 terabytes in case you want to slot the card in. We should also highlight that we do have quad speakers on board, 2 on each side, that actually allows it to go fairly loud. So you're going to be watching videos. This is actually going to be quite interesting. Alright, moving on to the main style of the show, the display at the front. Now like I mentioned, this is actually designed for productivity users and it comes in with a 3:2 aspect ratio. The size, I don't have to remind you again, but it's 13.2 inches. It does come in at 2.4K resolution, so it's going to be great and good enough for watching movies, watching your shows, and even just working on the tablet itself, which again, this device is made for. Now you do not get any kind of a high refresh rate on here, but what you do get is a TUV Rhineland certified for low blue light as well as flicker free, so it's going to be a bit more comfortable on your eyes. What I do like is that the bezel that surrounds it is actually the perfect level of thickness, not too thin, not too thick, and it actually is quite symmetrical across the entire screen. So that's nice. Now moving on, let's talk a little bit about how it actually feels like to do a little bit of work on the XPAD H. Like I said, because it do come with that 4G support, it's actually meant for you to bring your work on the go. And for starters, you can use apps like WPS Office to get your work in. I do have this PowerPoint slide that I'm still editing on the tablet itself, which works great. And again, if you pair it together with the keyboard case with that trackpad, it really makes for a very close to laptop-like experience. Furthermore, it also supports that split screen or parallel windows as what Infinix is calling it, which basically allows you to have 2 apps side by side. And you can also save your favorite combo. So for instance, I do have my WPS Office on one side as well as Chrome on the other, so I can always refer to points on the website and just copy and paste it directly to my WPS Office workflow. Very, very seamless. Now other than that, the device itself will allow you to use it as a secondary PC display, so if you already have a main desktop, you can always make use of this to act as a second screen. Furthermore, it's going to support that multi-device collaboration if you are already an Infinix owner. Now, we've shown this before on our previous Infinix tablets. You have the phone cast, you have the universal clipboard, and of course, sharing files within one device and another. Other than that, if you're someone who creates content on the go, you can also benefit from this really large screen by editing your videos in CapCut, or maybe check out the Learning Center where there's a lot of content curated for kids as well as children. Now, of course, with any Infinix tablet or device these days, you can expect it to come with a couple of AI features. Now, the one that I like on here particularly is called High Translation, which allows you to translate any app, any website. You can basically just read your screen and translate anything for you. Now, I find this particularly useful in websites. Say, for instance, you want to read it in Chinese, but it's showing only in English. Well, no worries, you can actually translate the entire screen. Every single English word would then be translated to Chinese, which you would be able to read without any issues. There's also the brand new AI art feature where you can find in the Notes app. Over here, all you need to do is just sketch whatever you have on your mind and click the AI generate button, and it will actually generate it into a couple of different kind of art forms. So yeah, it does come with a couple of AI features on board as well. Now, of course, you also have your Hive for likes to ask it all kinds of questions. And like I said, there's a lot of AI features on board and more will be coming in January 2026. So at the end of the day, for RM1299, you're getting quite a fair bit of tech for your money. Not only are you getting this huge 13.2-inch display that allows you to work a lot on, you also get that 4G support, the expandable memory up to 2 terabytes, the keyboard case, the X Pencil 2.0, everything that you need is all provided by Infinix. And yeah, that's pretty much what you can expect from the Infinix XPAD H. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do take care, enjoy, bye-bye.